Hello and welcome to yet another video of the channel. Today we will do a new sway bar. So here is the old one. This one comes from the 740 and that one does not fit. So we have to change it for this 760 V6 one. And as you can see, it goes a little bit deeper so you can fit the oil filter on the engine. So I ordered everything I need to replace everything, because these rubber bushings here are the original ones are too small to fit on the new one, so I had to order bigger ones, and these are 21mm ones, I think. So these should work, and yeah, let's begin. Before we begin with the sway bar, I have to take away this pressure line for the power steering. And as you can see, it's already loose. We only have one bolt on this side up here, and it's quite dark now, but I can see if I can get a light up there. Oh yeah, so you can reach it from underneath. Here we have the return line, the big one here, and then you have the pressure line, this one over here. So we screw these two out for now. Maybe we don't need to screw out the lower one, but we start with the upper one for now. This one looks pretty good, but it's too bad we don't need it anymore. But I have a new one. I think it's for an S80. I don't... where I put it? Oh no, I think it's in there. One moment. So here it is. This one is for an... this one should be for an S80. And it should fit bolt on to the 740. So I will go ahead and check that now. The new hose is on now. You can see it right there, and it goes up to the pump. And now I have to fit the the return line. But I don't have the hose right now, so I have to buy it for tomorrow. But we can start with a sway bar now, so yeah, let's begin with that.
Now that I'm looking back, I can see all the signs I tried to fill in the cracks that were spread in my mind, but I was all out of hope, lost in an endless maze. The emptiness had unfolded just like a void, but you
brand new and looking pretty good. As you can see now, we have much more space for the oil filter. So yeah, we'll see when we put it in later if there will be any problem with the space. But I think we will manage it. Now it's time for the servo pump side. So we have to take this car down again and check it out from above. Okay, here we have it. We have the pressure side here, and it should go like something like that. As you can see here, comes from down there, and then you have the return line, and it should go on to here. Yeah, there. So we shorten it down and fit it on, and this side we just screw it on like it is. In my cooling part of this series, I forgot to show you these hoses here that goes to the heating core in the cabin. These two hoses are Volvo original for S60, and it fits bolt onto this car. So it goes from here to the other side, and it should be no problem fitting it on because, yeah, as I said, it should be bolt on with a straight 6. And this is kind of the same thing, so yeah, that's a tip for you if you want to have original look to the engine. Thank you for watching this week's episode of my 740 T5 project. Next week we will take care of the oil cooling, and my plan is to fit it on this side. I think there will be no problem with the space here, but I will check everything before I start the video. I hope there's no problem, but I see you next week. Leave a comment, like it, subscribe if you want, and see ya!